But I think that my first obligation is to once again demonstrate before this court that how the writ petitioners and those who support the writ petitioners, they have stretched this proceeding much beyond the scope of the writ petition.
Yes.
But so many submissions have been made, we are completely oblivious of the scope of the writ petition. But I placed the writ petition in my opening submissions. I will not place it once again, but please note down the paragraphs and the points once more.
Yes.
But what are the 5 or 6 facets of the writ petition?
Like your contention of the applicants in various camps, they have dragged the scope,
including the writ petitioner,
Yes, we have taken. They have gone beyond their pleadings and prayers in the
Yes. Now, the scope of the writ petition are, according to me, 4 or 5-fold scope. First is
Yes.
scam in TET 2014. This is very, very important. Scam in TET 2014 is the allegation. Your lordships would find this in paragraphs 12, 16, 17, and 18. Just note down here. I'll not waste your lordship's time in placing those.
16, 17, and
18. So the fundamental challenge is to so-called scam in TET 2014, which according to them vitiates the TET 2014. The second is, which again is contrary to the first one, is that all TET 2014 candidates are entitled to the benefits of relaxation by MHRD. I don't know how these two can go together, be that as it may. The second is that all TET 2014 pass candidates should get the benefit of relaxation of qualification granted by or allowed by the MHRD.
the submission was otherwise.
Yes.
It said that on the date of the advertisement on 26 September, the extension period was already over prior to September.
That's what
he says.
Yes.
That the persons who participated, correct us if we are wrong, persons who participated as TET qualified teachers, in respect of them, those who came within from March to September, this period was a gap. So they cannot, they could not have availed the relaxation. So something that was
yes.
But
Relaxation periods elapsed from the month of April, and thereafter the advertisement on the month of September. So in the interregnum period, there is no such relaxation.
That is what he
Yes,
said.
yes.
That was it. So
I have an answer to that also.
What is, they have not argued that all TET has to.
No, that is the subject matter of the writ petition. My submission is that whether they can stretch it beyond the pleadings or the subject matter of the writ petition.
Second point was,
Yes.
state what you are saying.
The second point is laid out in the writ petition, in the pleadings.
Yes.
The second point is, which according to me is contrary to the first point, is that all TET 2014 candidates should be given the benefits of relaxation. Yes, that is what I intend to point out. That what is the case and what is the argument?
In which paragraph do you find?
These are available from paragraphs 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 20, and 21.
Please explain what did they say? All TETs are not. They are not saying that.
Yes, can you have a look, Miller?
Which paragraph tell us?
My lord, 7 onward, kindly have a look, my lord.
That your submission, all take candidates.
Yes, yes. Please,
Then the benefit of
yes.
relaxation.
Please take, my lord, paragraph number 7, for instance.
Yes.
It starts at page 29 at the bottom.
Yes.
Your petitioner state that on 11/10/2015, TET 2014 examination held in West Bengal, where huge number of students appeared. It is needless to say, this sentence, it is needless to say that on the date of examination, the notification issued by the MHRD Government of India was in force, and all students who have passed or qualified in the TET 2014 should get the benefit of notification of 9/4/2015. This is the pleading. I'm showing only one paragraph. The rest of the paragraphs, my lord, which I have highlighted.
So this pleading is contrary to
These submissions are completely dehorsed
pleading is contrary to the submission that
of Mr.
gap
Yes.
gap period is not their case at all in the
Right. I have an answer to the submission also
Yes.
that I'll
Very
make.
clear. Yes. Now, if this is what is your answer to this? This is right or this is wrong? That they should get the benefit.
Yeah, no, there is no dispute on that. They have got the benefit. That also I'll demonstrate. But I've got twofold answer to that. The easier way to answer is that they have got the benefit.
They have
Got the benefit. But, my lord, the other way also, my lord, the qualification, the gap that they are saying, the gap was also, my lord, filled up by the circulars of MHRD,
That was-
which has not been brought to your lordship's
no,
notice.
no,
Yes.
Mr. Laidi or Mr.
Yes.
No, no.
Hussain or Mr.
Mr. Bhattacharya is placed at 2017.
বলবো ছটফট করছে।
Yes, yes.
Yes, where is that in your compilation that blueprinted? You know the page of that?
101. He's in his compilation, page number 101.
আমি একটা দিয়ে দেবো
দে।
এবার দুটো নেই
Yes,
101 is 17 amendment.
or we shall got it.
Yes.
Is your argument? All right, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, if we forget, we will take. Yes, yes, Mr. Lokan.
You know, there's an additional submission to that also. Assuming there was a gap.
So you will go to that first. So
Oh,
their argument, their
Yes.
contention was that all TET should get, that
Right.
all TET did not get the benefit.
Right.
It's other statement of theirs.
Right.
But you say that all of them got the benefit.
And that is recorded also. I'll place all those.
Yes.
But this is where the second facet of the writ petition. But the third facet is, which is very important, in respect of, my lord, the relief that is granted, is that what was the writ petitioners praying or claiming?
That relief they did not get.
No. The writ petitioners were claiming parity with those who have got appointment.
Yes.
And alternatively, they say, I must be fair to the court also. Alternatively, they say that if I cannot get appointment, the appointments which have been given is bad.
So their case was that there are vacancies, we have been discriminated.
Right.
So give us that.
Right.
This was there.
Right.
That is strengthened by the fact, according to you, that you see the prayer, there is no prayer for settlement.
Right. This your lordship would find word in paragraph 11 of the writ petition. Then there is a, my lord, an omnibus submission or, my lord, contention raised that since 2011 there has been corruption in all selection process.
That you have argued
Yes.
corruption, etc.
Yes. This, my lords, will find